Hello everyone. Today's topic is parathyroid gland. What is parathyroid gland? Parathyroid glands are four small glands of the endocrine system which regulate the calcium in our bodies. Where is parathyroid gland located? Location. Parathyroid gland are located in the neck behind the thyroid gland where they continuously monitor and regulate blood calcium level. It is mustard yellow glands behind the pink thyroid gland. Hydration. The parathyroid glands maintain proper level of both calcium and phosphate in your body by turning the secretion of parathyroid hormone, which is also called PTH, which is peptide hormone, or also called Collips hormone. Next we can see the diagram of parathyroid gland. So here Here we can see parathyroid gland is located behind the thyroid gland. We can see both. Here we can see yellow mustard color, which is parathyroid gland. Next we can see the function of parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone is the most important regulator of blood calcium level. It increases the calcium level in blood in three ways. First, we can see absorption of calcium level from intestine. Second, it removes calcium from bone and add in blood. Third, reduces calcium loss through urine. So we can see from the diagram how calcium level increases. We can see how calcium level increases by this diagram. We know that normal blood calcium level in our body is 10 mg and 10 mg per 100 ml. So if blood calcium level falls, then parathyroid gland releases parathyroid hormone, and then osteoclast cells, which is called bone cell, get breakdown and releases calcium 2 plus, which goes through the blood and increases the blood calcium level in our body. Here calcium level increases by the PTH stimulates the calcium 2 plus ion uptake by kidney and activates vitamin D. Can see calcium level increases by PTH stimulates Ca2 plus uptake by kidney and activates vitamin D, which loses the calcium through the urine and increases the normal level calcium level in blood. And then we can see vitamin D increases the calcium level uptake in urine, and then it balances the calcium 2 plus in normal blood calcium level. Next we can see PTH hormone is also called hypercalcemic hormone that increases the blood calcium level. It is essential to maintain the optimum calcium level in the blood because calcium is essential for proper functioning of muscles, heart muscles, nerves, and for the growth of bones and teeth. Calcium is also essential for blood clotting. Parathyroid hormone affects antagonistic to those of calcitonin. This is very important line. Calcitonin, a hormone produced by thyroid gland, acts to decrease the calcium concentration. Hence, it is called antagonistic to calcitonin. What are the disorders of parathyroid? Hypoparathyroidism. It leads to parathyroid tetany, which fall in calcium level in blood, which is called hypocalcemic, rise in phosphorus level due to increased loss of calcium in the urine. It is most common in women in menopausal period. Next disorder of parathyroid is hyperparathyroidism, high calcium level in blood, which is also called hypercalcemia. Sometimes calcium is deposited in kidney tubules, leading to kidney stones and decreases urine output. Hypercalcemia causes also osteitis fibrosa cystica symptoms. Some of the bone substance is replaced by cavities that are filled fibrous tissue. Osteoporosis may occur due to excessive loss of calcium and phosphate ions from the bones. These all are the disorders of parathyroid. So our topic is finished. Thank you for watching this.